I'm Hiren Patel. I'm the Managing Director of FCG Hitech Private Limited. With Green Dot, we started a project called as Lean Manufacturing. We started in July. We started on July 2nd, 2018, and today we are on 31st October 2018, where within this time we have improved lot many things through lean management. First of all, my casting production we have increased up to 20%. Overall delivery time we have increased to 2 weeks. We have increased the production by 50%, and overall you can say the machine shop overtime we have decreased, yes. Overtime in the machine shop where people used to work overnight, that monthly we have come down to 80,000. So yearly we might be saving approximately 10 lakh rupees, and the overall production of my assembly time has reduced from 3 days to 1 day. Still around 7 months are left with lean manufacturing. I am sure we might achieve more good results with this lean manufacturing project with Green Dot. Thank you.